So here's a current demonstration of our app so far. As you can see on the main screen of the app, here is our device that shows up. It says pill reminder. It also shows you a Bluetooth range, so it shows we have 3 bars basically because we're sitting right next to the microcontroller. So we go ahead and open up. You see your UI. That represents or shows the different states that the device is in. So the screen represents the top of the device. So here's your compartment for the pills, and here's the 2 LEDs which are shown on the screen as well. And this is still a work in progress. We're working on getting all this together. Should be done fairly soon. But as you know, we ran into some issues with assembly as far as limitations that involved the hardware and the app. So we went down and simplified the system to have the user input switches for the different states rather than using hardware such as the IR emitter and detector for the pill's presence. So we go through this area here is used for setting an alarm. The idea behind it is that you set it based on the time that the device turns on. So this would say start or notify me 1 hour and 2 minutes from the point of turning the device on, which was basically the start of this video. So that's the plan. As of right now, that's the only thing that we're having trouble with. We actually have it hard-coded to go off in a couple minutes rather than actually go by this. But we'll run through this real quick. So as you can see, it changes according to whether there's pills present and everything. Both the screen and the LEDs update. So right now we basically just loaded the device with pills and turned the alarm on. And as we said, we've got an alarm set to go off in a couple minutes. So as far as the device, we're working on getting everything put in here. Here's our current PCB with the microcontroller, and then as well as all the charger for the battery, and here is a switch for the momentary switch so that we can reset the device by turning it off, because as we said, the alarm goes by the time at which you turned on the device. So by having a momentary switch, you can easily reset the device and reset the alarm that way. Furthermore, here is where the IR emitter and detector are. There's a valley in here so that pills slide to the middle, and that's how you would detect the pills. And here's the Hall effect sensor that would detect the lids opening or closing. So that's basically a rundown. And as you can see, both the screen turned red as well as the LEDs, so the alarm went off. As we said, there's a couple minutes. But if we were to take the pills back out, it goes back to standby mode. And to reset it and do the whole process over, you just kill the power and set your new alarm.